Hi guys, here we have a problem now. As you can see, we have a bearing which is supposed to go right here. As you can see, this is from axle generator, and here we have a 316 key channel, and also which is going to go to a coupling, 316 coupling here. The problem is the axle is slightly manufactured by probably, I'd like to say, very short diameter, which is larger diameter, so the bearing won't fit into the axle here, as you can see. So the purpose of the video is how to make your own turning machine in the garage without having any resources. You know, let's say you can go to shop, you don't have shop around you, but you need to finish the generator, the machine, pretty quick. So here I'm using a caliper to measure the diameters, and so I've been using a Milwaukee groundhog to give me the low turning speed, which I got very inventive. As you can see, I put the jig here, and I put on my workbench, I put piece of wood. I center the axle with these two screws, and I use like a bottom piece of wood just to hold it. So now it's very crude design, as you can see, and here I have tie wrap to hold the trigger. I don't have lock trigger on the Milwaukee. This is a whole hog, very powerful drill, we call it. Milwaukee usually drills wood and different drills, but it can attach big size. So the head of the bolt is here. This is the drive shaft of the rotor motor, and this is the generator, as you can see, and that's the generator rotor which I took out, and that bolt will go right here. So as you can see here, okay, so now we gotta put the bearing back up here. So that's a very crude design, and here how it works. So you press the trigger, and you're gonna see the turning machine. Very cool design, how to make on the field a turning machine. And now you can apply a grinding. I got like a sandpaper, which is let me see what size it is. It's P100 sandpaper. Then I have a diamond board, which is also take the material from it, and I had like a regular file. So this is the tools I've been using to so what the purpose is, we gotta, this diameter is gotta get smaller, so we're gonna take some material so the bearing will go in here. And this is a crude design, how to make a turning machine in your garage from the tools you have. You have a whole hook, you have the bolt from the rotor, you have the rotor axle here, which is, and that's the coupling here. We're gonna couple it, and you have the key. It's a 316 key. That's a 316 key, which is gonna go right here, as you can see on the key channel. So all need to be hand fitted. Works really good. But once again, and that's how you hold the machine with a strap here. Make sure you have pliers handy so you can cut it off and release the trigger. I don't have a lock trigger, that's just a reverse direction, forward and back, doesn't have a locking in place. Alright, stay tuned for more, and more inventions from the field. For the tradesmen on the field, they have to make up something out of nothing. Stay tuned, take care.